all to your being, profession, that's your dentist. I also see that, I would like to talk about it because dental health is somewhere not taken very seriously. Because me personally, or, people around, जब तक कि वो worse नहीं हो जाती है situation, they don't see a doctor. Like, like चलता है. If they see that, कुछ भी medicine खा लेंगे, and they don't take care properly, and unless they get a cavity, there is no like a routine checkup for it. So what do you think about it? Do you also feel the same, that it's not given that much importance, and how
I'm
important
so
it
happy
is?
that you, yeah, I'm so happy that you brought this up. If you see the transition in last 15 years, you will see that it's definitely far more better. People are much more aware. पहले नहीं था इतना. Though the focus still remains on the more external surface, like your skin, the hair, the basic looks, you feel that nobody is going to look into your mouth perhaps, but what they forget is that your smile is the cornerstone of any social interaction. I think the most unattractive thing would be somebody talking to you with stains on the teeth, or maybe a bad foul breath, which they sometimes don't realize. सामने वाले को पता चलता है, but कभी sometimes ऐसा होता है कि you don't realize it, some of you.
Actually, yes, it's a
Otherwise,
totally turn
whatever
off,
you
and
say,
it gives very bad impression.
it's a big, yeah, very bad impression. So, what people need to understand is that dental hygiene or oral hygiene is beyond brushing. It's not just कि हाँ जी हम तो 2 बार दिन में ब्रश करते हैं.
Exactly.
इसी की हजारों चीजें जो आप सीख सकते हैं. किस किस्म का ब्रश आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, कौन सा पेस्ट इस्तेमाल करते हैं is a criteria. Then what is the method of brushing that you're using, which is the modified Bas technique, which most of us here probably would not even know what that means, which you need to learn when you go for your visits to your dentist. Apart from that, brushing के अलावा flossing बहुत जरूरी है. हमें लगता है कि अच्छा दांतों के बीच में gaps आ गया तो तब फ्लॉस करना है. अरे भाई, गैप्स नहीं आए, गम डिजीज ना हो, प्लाक जमा ना हो, इसलिए फ्लॉसिंग करी जाती है. So when you
Okay.
understand that it's a cornerstone of social interaction, we also need to understand that it is about dental hygiene is about you giving your best measure or moving towards the right modality, which will prevent any further health hazards, mouth hazards, or you can say dental hazards per se. So, and instill that confidence in you, where you can open your mouth wide and interact with people like I'm smiling. So you can
Yeah.
do that too. There are people who shy away and they might have a beautiful face, but अगर आप उनको बोलो खिलखिला के हंसने के लिए, तो they'll probably have that देखो.
Yes.
Yeah. So all the confidence goes down the drain.
True.
So, and the reason why I feel why they keep delaying it is one, okay, अभी पेन नहीं है ना यार, अभी बिजी चल रहा है, अगर
Exactly.
दुखेगा तो जाएंगे, या
Yes.
अभी अभी छोटा सा है कीड़ा, अभी ज्यादा तंग नहीं करना. What they don't understand is pit and fissure caries जो होता है ना, जो ऊपर से इतना छोटा होता है, once you start drilling, it's triangular, it goes like that, it spreads
Mm-hmm.
downwards. So वो drill करते वक्त as a dentist you come to know कि हाँ भाई it's deeper down, and then the cavity starts becoming bigger as you start drilling to remove the decayed part. So जो आपको छोटा लगता है वो actually छोटा नहीं है. In fact एक्सरे में भी जो आपको दिखता है that is, जब डॉक्टर एक्सरे लेता है, it is two dimensional. Once you start drilling, then you understand the third dimension and you realize no, it's much deeper. तो हम उसकी नौबत आने से when we talk about dental oral hygiene, आप अपना ठीक से ब्रशिंग करिए, आप फ्लॉसिंग करिए, आप माउथ वॉश यूज करिए. once in 6 months you must visit your dentist for proper cleaning. जो आपका ब्रश होता है that cannot clean in the nooks and crannies. ये जो आप सुनते हैं प्लाक हो गया और कैलकुलस हो गया, this is nothing but a biofilm of a millions of bacteria put it. हमें, we don't even know what is the right kind of food choices we should.
True. Okay, the video is stuck for me. Hi, Aarti. Thank you for joining in. Welcome to the show. Hi, Sunit. Uh, some network issues. Surviji, your video has stuck for me. I don't know if it's my network or your network, but I think the network is playing up. Even I'm on Wi-Fi. Okay, I think I've lost my guest here on the live. I'll just send in a request once again to her. I've just sent in a request once again. Sorry, guy. Okay, so she's here.
Yeah.
I think there was some network issue, and you know, okay. Welcome again. Welcome again. Can you hear me?
Yeah, so I think the net is playing dodgy. Never mind. I think am I audible now?
Yes, now you are audible.
Okay, super. Please ban mat hona Instagram. So I was talking about we do not know about what food choices to make. Like हम sticky food खा लेते हैं, cold drink पी लेते हैं, and we don't even rinse our mouth. Forget about brushing. We don't even rinse our mouth, and we think कि चलो सुबह brush कर लिया, शाम को brush कर लिया. तरीका नहीं follow करना correct brushing करने का, but
I
brush
think
उठा लिया और मुंह में डाल दिया.
most of the people सिर्फ एक ही टाइम ब्रश करते, दो टाइम ब्रश करते भी नहीं. इन द नाइट नोबडी.
हाँ
आई थिंक
हाँ.
हार्डली 20% ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन शायद करती होगी ब्रश.
ये बात मैं बता दूं आपको that while you're sleeping down, when you're sleeping, the metabolism dips down, all right, but you also should know that the salivary action, आप जब खाना खाते हैं, saliva has a big role to play, not only in mixing of the food and assimilation of the food, but ये बैक्टीरिया को वॉश ऑफ करता है. जब आप सो रहे होते हैं, the saliva flow is very slow, तो बैक्टीरिया accumulates in the mouth. तो जब आप सुबह उठते हैं, एनीबॉडी, एनी नॉर्मल पर्सन, आपके मुंह से स्मेल आती है. वो क्यों आती है? बिकॉज द बैक्टीरिया थ्रोज आउट टॉक्सिन विच स्मेल्स बैड, एंड सलाइवा उसको वॉश नहीं कर पाया रात को. तो रात को तो ब्रश करना और भी जरूरी है, बिकॉज सलाइवा बेचारा अपना एक्शन नहीं कर पाएगा रात को ठीक से. वेरी
Oh
इंपॉर्टेंट.
wow. Yeah, very good to know info, and thank you so much, Surbiji, for letting us know why it is so important. I had met one dentist once, and he had told me that morning में आप जब brush करते हैं तो आप दूसरों के लिए करते हैं. That is because so that because your mouth thing, and so that other people doesn't get to smell that foul smell. But in the night when you brush, you do it for yourself. So it's for
नहीं, ऐसा
your
नहीं
personal.
है. Imagine what ठीक है, I am single, but there are others who are not single here. Imagine what a torture it's going to be within a hour or two if you're sleeping with someone.
Yeah, even that is a very valid point said
Yeah.
by you. I must say that it is important because not only for yourself in the night, for even your respective partner as well. True.
Yes,
Right.
yes, for your part. Yes.
Thank
And और भी है, मतलब सी वो तो मेन चीज रह गई हमारी. तो हमारे को लगता है कि चलो पेन नहीं हो रही तो वी कैन डिले इट फर्दर, या कैविटी उतनी बड़ी नहीं है, डिले कर दो. दूसरा हमें लगता है कि इट्स कॉस्टली. व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज इनिशियल ट्रीटमेंट इज नॉट सो कॉस्टली. जो बड़े ट्रीटमेंट जो आप डिले कर रहे हैं, जिसकी वजह से इवेंचुअली आपको बड़े वाले रूट कैनाल तक पहुंच गए अगर आप, या इम्प्लांट तक पहुंच गए, या गम सर्जरी तक पहुंच गए, दोज आर एक्सपेंसिव प्रोसीजर्स. If you compare
Oh,
it to
yeah.
basic cleaning, basic polishing, basic cavity restorations, ये सब चीजें तो सस्ती होती है. So don't delay it. उल्टा, I mean, it's going to be expensive if you delay it, because you might land up in a soup.
Yes, I think
And
most of the people, this is the reason that no dental services are very expensive. एक बार एक रूट कैनाल कराने जाओ तो इतने पैसे खर्च हो जाते हैं, and that is the reason people don't go. But very well said by you that initially if you will take care, then it will not reach to that level or to that extent. True.
जाएगा.